Welcome back to part 2 of our tutorial on creating a parametric window family in Revit. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating various window types with adjustable dimensions and adding additional parameters to make your window family more customizable. Let's dive in and get started. To further customize the window, click on the family name and select New Type to create new window types with different dimensions. Assign a name to each type. Let's create 3 different window types with varying dimensions. Now, under the Dimensions category, change the fixed panel's height and width. Repeat this process for all the types you'd like to create. And see how they change in all 3 views: plan, elevation, and 3D. And load the family back into the project. Be sure to select Overwrite the existing version and its parameters so the new settings reflect on the windows. Now, check the window types under the Window Family category and start placing all types of windows in the project to see how they appear. There are 2 ways to place a window: through the project browser or the Properties palette. Add dimensions to check the width as assigned. Go to 3D view and check the final look of your window family. You can change the display options for even better visualization. To further edit the frame, go to the window family and switch to the elevation view. Use the reference plane tool to define construction lines for the placement of your window. Pick a reference plane, copy it at a distance, and add another frame thickness. Again, don't forget to add dimensions and lock the dimension to keep things aligned when you resize later. Now, we need to add a dimension. Select the Dimension tool, create a parameter, and name it Operable Panel. Set it as a type parameter and choose length for the type of parameter. Group it under Dimension. This is how we'll control certain aspects of the window as we customize it later. Once that's done, adjust the dimension and check if it works. If everything looks good, go ahead and select the frame, edit the extrusion. And align the frame line again with the reference plane to lock it in place. Test by adjusting the dimension, and you should see the frame adjust automatically. Now it's time to modify the window glass and edit extrusion to modify glass frame. and align it with the reference plane. Lock the frame in place to maintain the constraint. Then, adjust the operable panel distance and check if it works. After making these adjustments, check the window frame and glass to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Cross-check the modifications in 3D as well. Once you've edited the family, load it back into the project. Be sure to select Overwrite the existing version and its parameters so the new settings reflect on the windows. Check in 3D as well. That's how you can create a parametric window family in Revit. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand the process from start to finish. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching.